Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss problem C, Mark and his unfinished essay. Problem statement is like, one night Mark realized that there is an essay due tomorrow. He hasn't written anything yet. So Mark decided to randomly copy paste substrings from the prompt to make the essay. More formally, the prompt is a string S of the initial length n. Mark will perform the copy pasting operation C times. Each operation is described by two integers L and R, which means the mark will append later SL plus 1 up to SR to the end of the string S. Note that the string length of S increases after this operation. Of course, Mark needs to be able to see what has been written. After copying, Mark will ask Q queries. Given an integer k, determine the kth letter of the final string S. Let's understand this through examples. Let's take this one. I have already taken here. Here, length of the original string is 4. Number of copying paste operation is 3 and number of word is 3. Let's do the original string was mark. When we do first operation, copying first operation, the original string will become mark. Then after second operation, it will become 5 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 7. Mark, then 3 to 8. 3 to 8. RK, MARK. So you can see here our original string growing exponentially. So, and here you can see in the question, range is like range of length of original string maximum is 2 into 10 to the power 5. Number of copying paste operation is up to 40. So you can see an query will become, and here you can see length of 2 integer L to R. It's too large. So if I add a string to the original string like this, it will throw memory limit exceed error. So we need to do something else to solve this problem. Here you can see copying paste operation is a substring of the original string. So first we need to store all these copy paste operation in a list. Let's see. Copy paste interval. First we will store all these interval. Originally it was 1 to 4, then it become 1 to 4 again. Then it was 5 to 7. Now 3 to 8. Now we have stored this interval in a list. Now we need to store range of the string after every copy paste interval. Here you can see first was in original string length was 4. Again, after adding this first copy of lesson, it will become 8. Now after second, it's become 11, then 17. Now we have stored our copy paste operation and their range, their string range, string length range. Now we have to make query to get a letter of a string. Q query. You can determine kth letter of the final string. Now here you can see first kth letter is 1. To find this position and the letter, first we need to compare, iterate through this range, and we will compare that is the query k is greater than this or less than I. If so, then we have to first we have to first get this interval at the position I, because we are iterating through this list. So first we will get this interval, and their values. Let's say k is a query. Let's say it's a L and R. Then we have to calculate distance from this interval. Minus k. Now we need to subtract to get our query. We need to subtract this k, this d with this, so R1. Now it's the final answer. We will just take modulus of k into n from the original string mark. Let's say original string is mark. Let's do first query 1, k equal to 1, and at k equal to 1 we will iterate in this range, in this list. Here you can see k is less than k is less than 1. Then at this 0 position, first we will find our interval L and R. interval 0 at 0. Then we will calculate our distance from this. Which is 1 and 4. Minus k is 1. 4 minus k equal to 3. Now we need to calculate our k. R is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Then we need to search 1 modulus 4, which is a. For minus 1. So because we are thinking minus 1 is m. Similarly, when for query k equal to 10, we will check each copy paste range is greater than equal to k is less than equal to copy paste range or not. But we will check 8 is not, but 11 is. So this index is 0, 1, 2. Two is, then we have to find L and R. L and R at index 2 is 5, 7. 5, 7. Now we need to calculate D. D is copy paste minus minus k, which is 11 minus interval 10 equal to 1. Now we need to calculate our j. J is R minus D. It's 7 minus 1, 6. Now you can see here we need to calculate is 6, so 6 modulus 4 k modulus n minus 1, which is 6 modulus n is 4 divided minus 1 minus 1a. Here you can see in second case we got a. Now for third query is 3, 8. Again we will check third query is 12. Sorry. Again we will check which this one is possible or not. Here you can see satisfy at index 3, 17. 12 is equal to 17. Now again we have to do same operation at the index 2k. It's 3. Now we need to calculate. First we need to find interval at index 3. At index 3, interval is 3, 8. Now we need to again calculate d. D is 17 minus 12. 5. Now we have to compare r minus b. R is 8 minus 5. 5 equal to 3. Now we need to find the remainder at index 3 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Yeah, okay. R. Here you can see. Similarly, you can calculate, check for this example. You will get same as this answer. Let's move on to the coding part. Just quickly look for CQ. Equal to input string. Now copy paste operation. First was 1 to n. It's the original string interval. First range is initially for its original string. It's n. Now we have to take this interval, store this interval in this command. Now we need to append this allowed in this list. And we need to add a range of copy paste string. First we have to fill p range -1 plus r minus 2 plus 1. Now we need to make query. Q. Then First we will iterate in the length of this range. Then we will check each k is greater than or equal to 1, is less than or equal to this should be J. Now we need to find that interval at index J. Then we need to create distance minus k. Now we need to calculate k. Now it's r minus d. Uh, and then we will print out answer. So, k divided k modulus n minus 1. Let's run this. So line m at 10 a at 12. So, I hope you liked my solution. Thank you for watching.